Ladies, this is Jackie with the Scarf Art channel. Wanted to share some of our pre-tied designs with you for the upcoming Independence Day, July 4th holiday. If you're going on vacation, you want to look nice to all the different places that you're going, pool parties, barbecues, all of that good stuff, luncheons, banquets, a lot of things going on for July 4th, especially this year since everybody is getting out of this pandemic mode and trying to get back to normal. So I wanted to share our pre-tied scarves with you. This one is called a fishtail chic neckerchief. It's pre-tied. You don't have to tie it. So if you don't want to fiddle and faddle with tying scarves, we have options, ladies, at Scarf Art. You have options. You have the option of pre-tied and untied scarves. This one is a pre-tied scarves. But as you can see from our videos, we also have untied scarves for those ladies who love to tie scarves. So anyway, with this one, all you do is just place it where you'd like for it to go, adjust it in the back. We have an adjustable neckband, so if you like it tight or if you like it a little bit looser, you can do either or. You have that option, and we also did that because of the fluctuation in weight. Sometimes we gain weight and we lose weight, so either way you can still wear it, whether you gain weight or whether you lose weight, because the band is adjustable. And it comes like this. It's pre-tied, so you don't have to do anything but button and go. You can wear it in front with dresses, with suits, with blouses, with blazers, with your Oxford shirts, with a strapless outfit. You can pretty much wear it with almost anything for both work and play. What I find is that scarves, you can take them, the same scarves you wear to work, you can wear for your casual social events. You don't have to have a different scarf, just tie it a different way for the most part, or put on a different outfit, put on a jean jacket as opposed to a blazer. And then this one you can also wear to the side like that, in the patriotic colors, in your red, white, and blue. And the dominant color in this one is red, so I would either wear white or I would wear a navy blue with this particular scarf to really make it pop. Again, this one is called a fishtail chic neckerchief. It's a patriotic fishtail chic neckerchief, and it's on our website for purchase on scarf-art.com, and you can check that out. And this, again, is one of our pre-tied scarves, but we do both. We do the pre-tied and we do the untied as well. Now, this one is one of our newer scarves. This is a new product. It's called a fluffy neckerchief. And again, you don't have to do anything but button and go. You don't have to tie it. You don't have to fix it. If you're the type of lady who you love scarves but you don't want to tie them, this is perfect for you. Again, all you do is just button. Adjust it to your neck size and you're good to go for the most part. So you can wear this one, ladies. You can wear it in front. And this one, I would say, this would work. Again, I like most scarves. They work for both casual and business type events or formal events, depending on the type of scarf it is. But this one you can wear in front. You can see I have it on again with a t-shirt, but I can put on some Bermuda shorts and some heels and it'll dress up, this outfit for the most part. You can also wear this to the side like that. So you have options. The good thing is that we have a long line of pre-tied scarves as well as untied scarves. So you have options when you go to our website, which is scarf-art.com. Don't forget, ladies, to subscribe to our page and share our channel with your friends, co-workers, neighbors, all of that good stuff. This one is called a fluffy neckerchief, and it comes in different colors. You can let us know what color you want. We do custom orders for individuals and for groups and for corporations. So just let us know, what color you want. If you don't want this color, you can get another color. If we put everything on the website, God only knows how many pages the website would be. So you let us know. Just call us. You can call us at our 800 number. Subscribe not only to our channel here on YouTube, but also to our newsletter on our webpage at the bottom of our website. You can subscribe to our monthly newsletter. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel here on YouTube and share it with your friends. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you next time.